Hey you guys, today we're going to customize this water bottle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a plain, simple, clear water bottle. I think the color is really pretty. When I saw this mint color, I knew I had to pick it up so I can do a DIY project, and I knew this was going to be perfect for this. I'm going to go ahead and remove any stickers on there, especially the back piece, just so I can have it nice and clear, and I have a blank canvas to work with. Now this water bottle comes in different colors. Go ahead and check on my Instagram. I put all the colors there. I took pictures of all the water bottles they have, and this is the one that caught my eye, so this is the one I took. I'm going to go ahead and customize this with some decals. You know the link is going to be down below. Go ahead and check it out, and go ahead and get yourself a 15% off your entire purchase. Now I'm going to be adding a couple of these Louis Vuitton logos onto my water bottle. So I decided that would be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and add these towels just to keep the water bottle nice and sturdy, and it won't move while I'm working with it. So that's a great tip when you're making and customizing any water bottles. Go ahead, or any cups, put some towels next to it so it keeps it nice and sturdy. It's not going to move and it's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to add this logo that I love, and it says #MomLife. This is one of my favorite decals. The link is down below. Go ahead and check it out, and make sure you get it because you're going to want to use it over and over, especially if you have kids, or if you want to give one to your mom for next year for Mother's Day. That's going to be perfect for her. But let's keep focus on this project. So many things are running through my mind. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any ideas, any tips, or any tricks for me. I would love to hear them. I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of my tools. I kind of know exactly what I want to do with it, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to add my transfer tape to them. Very important step when you're adding decals to anything. Make sure you add your transfer tape. It's going to help you transfer the words to your project. So I love this. This is one of my favorite decals, and it just says #MomLife, and it has a little heart at the end, which I love. This is like, I love it. I made it in so many colors. Once you get your decal, you can go ahead and just make them in different colors, different shapes, different sizes. I made this one pretty big because I knew the water bottle was really long, so I decided to make it a little bigger because it's going to look great when I add it to the water bottle. It's going to stand out, and I love this color. This is a apple color, and it's going to go perfect against the teal blue. So this is going to look really nice when it's done and it's customized. I'm going to go ahead and measure this out and just cut it out. And I'm also going to add the Louis Vuitton logos. I thought that was so pretty. When I saw them, I can't get enough of them. I've been using them for a lot of projects, and every project I use them, they're just gorgeous. You can make them any size, any color, any one of those 4 prints. So you get all 4. When you purchase it, you get all 4 prints. So don't worry about that. And yeah, it's yours forever to use however you want, whenever you want, and customize it any way you want. You can go ahead and make it in orange. You can make it in purple. You can make it in the brown. You can make it in the white, in the black. There's so many possibilities when you're making these decals and when you're customizing your projects. It's just a matter of what you like and how you like it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this down as well. And that's perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom piece as well. So that's perfect right there. So what I love about this transfer tape is it has the little grid lines, and those little grid lines, they guide you. Believe it or not, they help out and they guide you through your project. So you won't cut up too much of it, and you won't cut up too little of it. You get exactly what you need, how you need it, and how you want it. And it's really smooth to use. It's a good material. I've been using it since I started this, and I really like it. I know I barely started, but I really like it. I'm not opposed to using other materials. Go ahead, if you have any kind that you like to use, link it down below so I can go ahead and check it out. But look at how smooth that just opens up. And I'm just going to add it right there. And then I'm going to press it down firmly. I'm going to scrape it down. as firm as you can, because you want it to attach to that transfer tape. That way when you're ready to make your project, it comes out nice and smooth. You don't have any problems, any bumps, any lines, nothing. Peel back your tape, go ahead and add it to there. Scrape it down. If you don't have a scraper, go ahead and use a gift card or a credit card you have. That'll help you through the process, and it'll make it easy for you once you have to apply it. Now we're going to do the hashtag mom life, which I am loving. Let me tell you, I am putting that on everything now. I love that. I just love it, and I've been using it a lot. Go ahead and make sure you scrape it nice and firm from the top to the bottom before you add it to your water bottle. Now the water bottle, like I said, it was only $1, so I'm really happy with it, and I love the size because you gotta drink that water. Let me tell you, I love this size, and it's so cute, and they come in different colors. Go ahead and check out my Instagram just so you can see what colors are out there before you hit the dollar store and you have an idea of what you're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with alcohol. The alcohol will help it get rid of any smudges, any prints, anything, any lines, anything, any dirt under. It's gonna go ahead and remove it, and it's gonna dry fast, so you don't have to wait a long time for it to dry. It's gonna dry super fast. Just wipe it down wherever you're adding your decal. Wipe the whole thing down, and you're ready to get started. Wipe it down, wipe it down. Once you are done with that, it's going to dry really fast, and you're ready to attach your decal to wherever you're putting it. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I'm going to show you how easy it is. It peels off nice and smooth, even though it's really long. This is exactly how you want it to look. When you're ready to add it, go ahead and add it to your water bottle, and then press on it. As soon as you add it wherever you think you want it, press on it. Nice and firm. You want to make sure you press on it really nice and firm, because you want it to stick on there. You don't want it to move. You don't want nothing to be out of place. And look at how cute that is. That is going to look adorable when I peel it off. Now, one tip is when you're peeling this off, you want to work nice and slow. Don't rush it. Don't go too fast. You might rip off the decal. You want to make sure you press on this nice and firm, and then you're going to peel it off nice and slow. Go ahead and start peeling it off. It should come off super easy. Nice and slow. Take your time, unless it just goes really fast and you can't help it. That's a whole new different level. But look at how gorgeous it's already looking. I love the color of this vinyl. It has like a little shimmer to it. I love it. And it comes in different colors. But look at that color. It is gorgeous. And we're almost at the end. And make sure you have the little heart on there. And if you do, you made it. It's going to look fabulous. Look at how gorgeous it looks. Now, look at how gorgeous that is. You can add that in any color. You can even add it however you want it. You can make it bigger. You can make it way smaller. But look at mine, came out perfect. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add the LVs. I'm not sure where I'm going to add them, how I'm going to add them, but I know I'm going to add them onto this bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them down. I'm going to cut them down. You know how there's 4 of them? I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors, and I'm just going to cut them down, and I'm going to start adding them just everywhere. So go ahead and grab your towels. Make sure you have your towel so your water bottle does not move out of place. This is going to help you. Trust me, believe it or not, those towels are going to help your water bottle to stay put. I already did this, and they're a lifesaver. So just grab any towels or anything you can just to help your water bottle stay put and it doesn't move while you're adding the decals. You don't want it to move because you can rip them or it can go on wrong. So you want it to stay nice and sturdy until you're ready to continue with your project, basically. And there you go. I'm just cutting them down, and then we can get started on pasting them. Now we're going to do the same exact step, we're going to go ahead and take off the back end. Oh, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it again, just because I did put my hands all over it once I was done. And I want to make sure it's nice and clean before I add the Louis Vuitton logos on there. So all I'm doing is cleaning it up, taking away any fingerprints, any smudges, any dirt, anything that you see on there. Go ahead and grab your alcohol and wipe it down, and it's going to dry to the touch. So don't even worry about that. It dries super fast and you are ready for your next step. My next step is just to grab these and randomly put them on there. Go ahead and take it off, and then you're going to add them anywhere you want to add it. And you're going to press on it nice and firm. Always make sure you press on it. Press on the whole project because you want it to stick under nice and firm. And when you're ready to lift it, go ahead and grab that transfer tape and lift it slowly. And look at how gorgeous that's going to look. It's already looking really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and add the LV. And I'm going to do the same step. So don't be scared to use this, to play with it. You're going to customize it just how you want it. Make sure you press on it. Press, press, press. And then peel off the transfer tape when you're ready. But it's coming out super cute. I'm happy with the colors. And look at how cute that is. That is adorable. So let's go ahead and add all these random. And there you go. I am done with my water bottle. It is exactly how I want it. It is gorgeous. It's ready for a gift. I'm using it for a gift for someone. But I hope they love it. Look at how cute it is. I love all the little LVs. And I added everything. Everything I cut out, I added it onto the water bottle. And I think it looks really cute. Look at how cute that is. I hope you guys can see it. But I'm very happy with the way it came out. Make sure you go ahead and check the link down below so you can go ahead and grab the same decal that I have. And once you purchase it with a 15% off discount, it's yours forever to use for whatever you want. So go ahead and grab that. And they're always on sale as well. The decals are always on sale, so you can take advantage when it's on sale, plus get a 15% off discount. You cannot go wrong with that. And then just start making and customizing everything you get your hands on, like me. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you make your own. And if you do, go ahead and post it. And until next time, bye you guys.